Back now to that breaking news. The end in sight for the longest shutdown in U.S. history. The House of Representatives set to vote in just about 15 minutes on a temporary spending plan. The Senate unanimously approved the same bill about 90 minutes ago. That bill reopens the government for 3 weeks while a bipartisan group negotiates a border security bill. And 7 is on the side of furloughed federal workers. Even with a temporary deal in place, it only covers the next 3 weeks. And we haven't heard yet when furloughed workers will actually get their back pay. So we have financial advisors and bank employees standing by to answer your questions, financial questions. Just call the number on your screen in the ABC7 Help Center, 703-236-9220. Phone lines just staying open a few more minutes until 6:30, so get those calls in.
Well, the weather is to blame for some problems along the Hudson River in Troy, New York. Ice likely caused 8 barges to break free and then just start to float down the river. Boats were still attached to the masses. One of the boats hit a bridge in Albany as a result. Thankfully, there isn't believed to be any serious damage and no one was injured. Crews, though, are now trying to work to re-secure those barges.
And what a tough job with all that ice there.
No, look at that
Incredible video. Wow.
That is amazing.
Yeah, for sure.
So it's going to be really cold here. Next week's going to be pretty uncomfortable.
Yeah, I mean, warm relative to other parts of the country, but I mean, I don't want to belittle. We're going to go.
It all feels the same at a certain point.
I'm telling you, we're going to be sub-freezing for at least 3 full days, maybe longer than that, and we'll have below 0 wind chill factors around the region. Not tonight. Tonight's pretty quiet. It's cold, no question. You're going to want to layer up with temperatures into the 20s. Gaithersburg at 29 right now. We got 37 in D.C. You look at the wind chill factors, and that's the most important number for you tonight in terms of if you're going out. The way it feels with that wind, we're down in the mid to low 20s around the region, and that's where we're going to stay. Maybe get down into the teens with some wind, but your forecast looks like this. 7 o'clock, 34, we'll go 31 at 9, and then we'll head on down to about 29 degrees here at 11 o'clock. But in terms of any problems for you out there, some, snow or rain, that type of thing, we don't have any. We don't even have clouds out there. It's quiet up and down I-95. There are some snow bands or a batch of snow that's out the parts of Illinois and Indiana. That's going to stay there. Our weekend forecast looking great. So tomorrow it looks like this. We start out cold, temperatures in the 20s, outlying spots a little bit cooler than that. We warm back up into the low 40s, kind of like today, a few more clouds than today here and there. But by and large, I expect it to be dry around our area. So let's focus on your 7 day. A few things I want to talk about. So Sunday, we're up near 49, an outside chance of a stray shower or two, but generally dry Sunday, generally dry Monday. Our next weather maker comes in here on Tuesday. Now, this one's going to start out, it's a cold front, so as it moves on in, we'll say later in the afternoon, early evening, we start with some rain showers. But the timing of this is going to most likely be Tuesday evening. And the blue on this map here is the snow. The pink is that transition, maybe a little bit of some of that mix as we go through. But look at the blue coming in here Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We certainly have the possibility for some snow, and at this time, I mean, we're still 4 days out. Lots could change, but it's enough snow that we could see a few inches of that, at least at this point. We're looking at it. So that could be that could pose some problems for you on Wednesday morning in terms of school delays and closures. So I just want that on your radar. We don't have official snow total forecasts up yet. It's still way out there. But I want you to know Wednesday morning there could be some problems. Take that aside. Now we get into this Arctic blast for us. Let me take Thursday, for example, and show you the high temperature well below freezing, the feels like temperature, the wind chill factors. I mean, we're going to start out Thursday morning with a wind chill in the district down around 9-10 degrees below 0. That widespread range for us is probably in that -5 to -15, if not -20, and we're going to stay very cold. So Thursday could be problematic as well in terms of that in schools. And then Friday, the high temperature just 25. So it's going to be around for the second half of the week. Ice, ice cold. Robert.
Bill, thanks. Coming up, the NFL laying down some punishment for that controversial hit in the Saints-Rams game. But that punishment is exactly next in sports.
Go inside. Cozy up to the fire. Stay warm. Some call that a nice winter day. We'll have to agree to disagree.